Hello and thanks for watching this Cloud9 ERP Solutions video and subscribing to our YouTube channel. In this series of videos of Acumatica 2025 R2, we're going to talk about how Acumatica has changed the menu names for manufacturing production to make it a little easier and more intuitive for new people that join your company. So in the past, in order to select production orders to get materials released for them, and in order to select materials that you've released, we had a Material Wizard 1 and a Material Wizard 2. And so Acumatica has made it easier by using these screens called Select Production Orders and Select Materials to Release. So what you can do here, and again, this is your Material Wizard 1, you can select the production orders that you want, click Select, and it automatically brings you to Material Wizard 2 or Select Materials to Release. So these are the materials we want to release for that production order. It shows you the quantities and everything right here. You check them off, and you can hit, once again, the Select button to take it through that next step. Now, you can't find these currently in the preview of Acumatica, Preview 2. You can't find them in the menus. They're not here, but you can find them in the sitemap. So, assuming Acumatica, by the time 2025 is released, assuming that's all taken care of, you could add them yourself through the sitemap. So if we go here, we can put it into production orders, and we'll maybe put it under processes. And the same thing here, production orders and processes. And we'll save it. And so now if we refresh and go into production orders, show all, you can see the two new menu items that are no longer Material Wizard 1 and 2. So that's designed to make it more intuitive. It'll help you with faster onboarding for new employees because it really dictates exactly what you're doing. And additionally, there'll be less mistakes that can be made because you're in the menu that you're supposed to be in. So that's a redesign of the menu structure to make it easier to use. Hopefully you found this video useful, and if you did, please click the like button. And if you have any questions about this or anything else, Acumatica and manufacturing, feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again, and have a great day.